Hello people, and I'm gonna explain something here from on a paper. There's a paper I can really decide like a paper, like a black paper exactly, white letters, but in fact universes, reverse exactly. Um, on the paper I'm gonna write a study books about electronic and programming software. You can make a contact on a contact page exactly on Facebook. But I was interested in electronics, but in the first paper saw not water of energy in study of the drawing of clouds, which is a topic I can work on that. So the paper I'm gonna write in university, I'm not in university typing not yet, but university understanding about software development. The build will install device exactly in devices in development and the devices at ECE of ASCII tables of a computer software system and still catch up on the code depredations, your depredations of your hand depredation and indexation files. You may be found in the article the system about the Tor exactly registration down today and the Tor that takes up the registration work programming. And like a bell and a gross sound, but zo'n come from Tor got the sound of a bell. And the telegraphy was invented like a telegram sending device and using Microsoft Home here. And they were waiting for a woman and a man. The symbol of MCTCP are used. So I can make an own user interface and to re-edit the telegraphy bell exactly in my own home and exactly in my own habitat of the clocks system address clocks indexation index key card index EAO CIO with the home clock exactly with the disk clock and the disk clock itself ingredient and type it in understanding of IQ internal quadrantly of life understanding like reversing the inexparentance between the later I will explain the basic cassette bits and ASCII on the hippie evolution program on the side of one cassette exactly and the old cassette playing the give a terminal to power electromotor. You have electromotor and electric car called GPT exactly like the GPT conversation like a ball pen exactly rolling in the EDA electron system display called control pro electron card prediction card exactly the pen like a woman of the man device predict a passport or a prediction of a photographic in a biology cloud like a string what also tell you Darwin belt and the cloud in study as a Darwin and a biology student and the cloud how can I explain my children I'm a student in biology and explain the cloud in scientific here in space. With the approach, Apache will explain the written white BIOS how to be floating pointers, like birds floating pointers are of something in the star to be seen exactly. And they find the paper for printing there, the bar of the bar exactly, the bar exactly, the O bar, I can put in O here. We are better to understand exactly what I'm doing exactly here. 2 points on all letter bar exactly is nice to see exactly all bar in book exactly the all bar the paper Instagram page or Telegram page I understand before re-editing in the electrical letters the water power letters on computers. Surrounding the pre-programmed elections set it for what the flag files open GSC terminalization or repairing terminalization files een handbook for it exactly ook van Alexander, the book Alexander, I believe, of GPT chatting in so on, in fact, exactly. Or the visualization, the bits and the bytes from trees, the system working on the device, catching the system working on the disk, and it's that the future will be and early representations of early machine and build magnetism data boundaries about broadband internet, modern fiber and exactly modern bit routers. The storage media telephone speaking a call neural microphone in both recording three both in a chip recording van telefonie en telefoon telefonie examine the free telephone existence of the worst biosizations of trees. Bios is a tree of life exactly in Greekland exactly the candle of your own candle tree of your family how the kind of work exactly the candle tree like it used to be in history about the Christmas tree exactly in the Christmas tree candle tree and now the LED exactly Een M-speaker registration microfoon in het annex sending, de post machine receiver, de voltaire version control, version control, de CVS, cloud version control, cloud voltaire control, and I'm going to light exactly the conversation and a meeting about that in soon next month, exactly when the campus of the higher university about that exactly. So access the April electric proton registration magnetic data file from the time the graphie, the clock belt, the one cassette tape, the belting, one cassette tape, the GPL exactly calculation of 110 centimeters sound, the limitalization of the biasation, the bell goes of electrons studying about the disk sector contents and the device in Q block of a word point exactly to electron registers to the D set of the DD register data copy cloning to the epithet tape pulling electrons from the programmable the bell exactly retracting the orbiting proton electron the moment of HTTP and the high exactly the quantum in hand. So if people understand what I'm doing on one program like the device exactly the mobile phone goes on the home to other people, you want to contact me on my telegraphic page here. So all the people are working outside in the contact also for and so over conversation to help and repair something, to help repair the Apache server systems.